Hi, in this video I want to tell you how to execute a Python program. So let us start with a basic Python program. Everybody is going to understand the basic things regarding the Python. I already explained you in the previous video. Now we are going to understand you how to develop a basic hello world program. So and going on some more programs. So let us understand, it's very easy. So first and foremost thing, please download the Python software from python.org. You can get the latest version, no need to set the path, so you can execute the Python program anywhere. So let us start with a basic program. So I am going to open my computer in F drive. In the F drive I want to create a new folder. In F drive I want to create a new folder, otherwise I will go and create in the D drive. So let us go and create under the D drive. Right click, new folder. Here my folder name is Python Python programs. Okay, progs. I write the my folder name is Python progs. It is already there, so I am going to give the some other name. So that is Python new is my folder name. So in this particular folder only we are going to write the program. So how to write a program? So let us go to the start button and open the notepad. I opened my notepad. I am writing simply I want to print. So let us go and increase the font size. I want to increase my font size in normal. So let us go for a normal view. So see here, so my program is like this. You can write the Python program like this. So go for print. Print is the predefined function. So function is like this, predefined function. Here under the double quotation or single quotation, there is two ways, single quotation or double quotation. You can write whatever content you are going to write, that is going to be displayed in the output. So let us go and write some in the double quotations. Generally I use it to write on the double quotation, so I am going for the double quotations. Hello, I am writing hello Python programmer. See here, hello Python programmer. That's it. So the same thing is going to be displayed. In the output. So how to save the program? So I already created a folder in my D drive, so you already understand. In my D drive, or E drive, I already created a folder. So let us save that particular program. Save. In my D drive I have a folder called Python new. Here I want to save the program. How can I save the program? By using a double quotation. I am writing hello.py because it may be stored as a text. You can ask me, there is so many ways, Python directly supports the Python GUI editor is given by the Python software. Otherwise there is so many environments is there, PyCharm is there, and so many online Python compilers and there, but I am only choosing this type of way. So I will store in the notepad because the students will be understand easily. So go and open the notepad and write the program, then type the program name .py under double quotation to save the program. Write a program first. So what is the program we discussed here? The program is just we return print something, hello welcome to Python programmer. So what is my program name? Here I written hello.py. So let us open my tool in my desktop. 1 second, see here. So here hello.py is my program name, hello.py. py. So file name must be stored like this. Okay, please see here clearly. What I am saying is the file name is hello.py. Okay, now save it. Now save the program. Save the program. So it is successfully saved. So go to the folder in D drive. I have Python new folder. So in this particular folder I have this py file. See here the file type is py file. Now how to execute? Just keep press shift plus hold, shift plus hold and right click on your computer on your folder. You get an option called open command window here. Open command window here. Okay, now see here, right click, shift hold, right click, open command window here. Here our current directory is D directory Python new. Now you can simply write Python, what is the program name? hello.py. Execute it. Python directly, Python provides the interpreter, so the program output directly you got. Okay, thank you.